Hi guys, I want to show you how to make a jeweled paper clip with this shrub rose iridescent superfine glitter. I also have some chunky glitters these are all from Ceya, and this one is autumn and this one is aquamarine, and I'm going to make some jeweled paper clips with these. I have done this in another video and I've learned a couple things, and I want to do another little quick video to show you the couple of things I learned and give you a heads up. There is description links in the description box for these Ceya glitters. They're kind of fun. So what I'm going to do is make a jeweled paper clip. Like so. And all I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue right here on the glitter, and I'm going to drop this in there. Now, when I put the glitter on the paper, I did shake the paper back and forth, making sure that I got the sort of a flat glitter. Then I am going to add just a touch of glitter right above where I dropped the paper clip into, just simply to make sure that it's adhered. And I'm going to very carefully flip it over and leave it sit. Okay? Now the reason I flipped it over into my glitter pile is so that it's glittered on both sides. My original ones were not glittered on the back. And I think it's more fun to have the glitter on both sides. So we're going to set this aside. And I'm going to do another one with our chunky glitter while that one hardens. And I'll show you this one. See, it's glittered on both sides. There's some of them that will come off a little bit as in the very beginning. Some of this larger glitter is going to come off. So we're going to take this, we're going to make sure that it's all in a nice big clump, and then we're going to shake it just a little bit, and we're going to put in our little dot. The more you make that look like a Hershey's Kiss, the rounder it will be, but I'm not terribly worried about that. And we're going to drop that right in there. And we're going to add just a little bit on top of the paper clip. Now, you want to wait for a second or two before I was talking. So now, you know, we're just going to wait just a little bit of time so that when we pick it up, it doesn't stretch and distort. And we're just going to flip it over right into another section of the glitter. And we're just going to move this one aside and work on our third color of glitter. And once again, here's one I already did. Aren't those fun? I think they're just fabulous as far as the glitter goes. They're a lot of fun. Okay, so we're going to get this all. It doesn't want to go into a pile. There we go. All right, and shake it down a little bit flat. I just put that paper clip in the wrong way. Oh well, we will start over again. Let's just throw this one away. There's a point where you forget what you're doing. All right, let's just. Okay. You do have to make sure you put your paper clip in the right direction. You want the paper clip in so that this end is in the glue. Otherwise, it won't clip on your paper. Wait a few seconds and flip it over. Make sure it goes right back into where there's a pile of glitter. And here's our first one. And by now it's hard. And we have this really cute jeweled paper clip. But now, because we flipped it over, it's jeweled on both sides instead of just on one. As is our big glitter. I love the big glitter for this. Aren't they fun? Oh my, I've gotten all kinds of glitter in my other kind. Uh-oh. I'll have to do something different with that. Let's set it aside and get this one out. Now, aren't these fun? I really think they're fun. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.